show strength, and it is back above that 1,000 point per coin mark. Yes, we have again dropped that zero, moving back up into a very positive territory, I must add, and it's all in anticipation of the Shibarium mainnet release. So in this video, I'm going to be quoting an article here about the fact that Shiba Inu coin is the top weekly gainer, which is going to be bringing in a lot of traders. That's what we expected. I'm going to be talking about the Shibarium release, and we're going to be talking about price predictions post-Shibarium. Because yes, a lot of people are anticipating that these gains will continue forever, but I want you to be very cautious after the release of Shibarium. I absolutely think that the price of Shiba Inu coin, the price of Bone, the price of the entire ecosystem can come down a little bit as investors use that caution and see just how Shibarium performs. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you're getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't even have to buy a single share of anything. Make sure to check it out. And if you guys live in the UK, Webull is now available in the United Kingdom, so make sure to check that affiliate link out as well. Cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff. You get KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it's considered a loan to those exchanges, so if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Guys, I mean, Shiba Inu coin is doing great right now. Shiba Inu coin is back up above that 1,000 point per coin mark. Now, this 1,000 point per coin mark, we're going to get into these predictions in a second here about where we think the price can actually go. But these 1,000 point per coin mark, it's going to be extremely significant because if we are able to move well beyond it, and I expect that we are able to move well beyond it in the next couple of days leading up to the Shibarium release, it should absolutely hold up as a level of support afterwards. Now, I say this, but I say it with a little caution here, because depending on how well or how bad these expectations are met is going to be determining how high Shiba Inu coin rockets, or unfortunately, how far it falls back down. So let's discuss. But first, before we get there, let's look at this article. Traders shift focus to Shiba Inu as SHIB becomes the top weekly gainer. And guys, this is an interesting article with a lot of statistics in it. It's by the Crypto Basic. Shiba Inu coin being one of the most traded coins out there with a 16% increase in price, one of the best increases in price out of all of the cryptocurrencies this week. Now, of course, you've got some smaller coins that may have done better, but here's some interesting statistics that you may not have known, all right? SHIB is the highest gainer in the last week with a 16.59% increase. However, only about 33% of all of the wallets that hold Shiba Inu coin are currently profitable. Now, you can be a half glass full kind of guy. You can be a half glass empty. Glass half empty. Half glass empty doesn't matter. You can be a glass half full or a glass half empty kind of guy out there. And look at this one of two ways. I'm going to choose the glass being half full. If only 33% of the wallets are currently profitable, let's just make the assumption that a lot of those wallets are whale wallets because they've been able to average down ridiculously over the last several months. If we're looking at that, we would be willing to say that the majority of wallets, 66+%, are going to be able, or going to not be forced, but more willing to hold. Why? Because until they reach profitability, nobody wants to close out their trade. So until they're back in the green, nobody wants to close their Shiba Inu. And I say nobody, but trust me, people will do it. But knowing the majority of wallets are still in negative territory should indicate that people are more willing to hold during that upside movement, at least until they get back into the green. Now, clearly, if you have been in the red for a very long time, any glimmer of being able to get out, you may be willing to take your profit. So watch out for those profitable levels. And it indicates that 62.49% of the wallets that are currently holding Shiba are at a loss. That's 798,000 different wallets. Here's the interesting thing that I want to focus on a little bit for the Shibarium price predictions. It says, however, several market watchers believe SHIB's price would rally high post-mainnet launch of Shibarium. I am not necessarily in agreement with this statement. In essence, more addresses could record profits if the much-awaited Layer 2 solution works as expected. Now, that part of the statement I am in agreement with. If Shibarium works as expected, okay, in knowing that the expectations right now are 5 trillion Shiba Inu coin per month burns, knowing that the expectations are million plus Shiba Inu coin or transactions on the Shibarium network, not just Shiba Inu coin, it's an entire network, so any and every transaction will be counted. Knowing that people are anticipating one of the greatest moves in decentralization, I will agree wholeheartedly. If those expectations are met, guys, we are going to see fireworks taking place. This is going to be bigger than Robinhood. It's going to be bigger than Coinbase. It's going to be bigger than anything that Shiba Inu coin has seen before if those expectations are met. However, it is my personal opinion that those expectations are too high. So I believe we are going to see an increase in price leading into the Shibarium launch. The SHIB token Twitter account is gearing up and posting nearly every day. Satoshi being much more active ahead of this Futurist conference. The Futurist conference itself going to excite people a little bit, and that much anticipated launch of Shibarium should, could, and probably will send Shiba Inu coin higher. The fact that this is coinciding with a break above technical resistance at that 1,000 point per coin mark is almost magical. It is both a technical and a fundamental and a speculative move higher, which is exactly the type of action you need to see in order to spark FOMO buying and excitement. That's what takes SHIB to those all-time high prices. However, after this spike up, after this rally, after the launch of Shibarium, please, if you are profitable, don't lose those profits. Just put it that way. Don't lose those profits. What you can expect are the expectations. And expectations right now are obscenely high. If Shibarium comes out, even if it is successful, right? Even if it's doing very, very well, if it doesn't meet those expectations, it's going to be the same thing as if analysts have overly eager earnings expectations for companies. The company is continuing to grow, but it doesn't meet those expectations. The stock price might fall back down. And if that happens, my best hope is that we are well above the 1,000 point per coin mark at the time of release. If the expectations aren't met, that Shiba Inu coin uses that 1,000 point per coin mark as a level of support. Clearly, if it does not, if it breaks down through it, you've got 900 and you've got 800, you've got 700. Every 100 points per coin is going to be a decent level of support on the way back down. But a lot of people are banking on Shibarium being the biggest and the last hope for the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem. I do think it's going to take time for Shibarium to grow. So my expectations are that it's slow to start. And that slow to start is going to result in an unmet expectations, disappointment, and a price pulling back. But if I'm wrong, and I absolutely hope that I am, Shiba Inu coin, guys, if like this article says, if those expectations are met, SHIB could be ripping Honestly, it could rip beyond all-time highs. I'll just put it that way. If it really is burning 5 trillion coins a month and millions of transactions are happening on Shiba, we could be hitting new all-time highs. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. And if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. And until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.